which is gonna be exactly what it says it is. It should be stupid easy, it should be maybe good, it might just be stupid. So to start, we're gonna make a graham crust, which is a crust made out of graham. So pop some sugar in it. Spoon. Can't even tell there's sugar in there. Melted butter. Oh, what the heck is that? This is strange. It's got weird floaties. What we've learned today is that we've learned today to handle hot pots with oven mitts. But also, when things look kind of odd, just stir them. Now stir until you've got a wet schlop. Takes me back to my roots as a graham cracker farmer. Dump it into a pie plate. This looks like a lot. This is a lot. Well, it's very clear that I made way too much, which worries me for the rest of the recipe. But we will digress. Put this in the oven, 300 degrees, 10 minutes. She done. I'm gonna put that on a plate, on a rack, let it cool to room temperature, and then put it in the fridge for like an hour, 2 hours. You might want to do this the night before. So it's been some time. Our crust is almost done chilling, so we're gonna start making our paste for our peanut butter pickle pie. In a big old bowl, get yourself just enough peanut butter for a typical sandwich. Add some powdered sugar. It's quite wet. A whole block of cheese that's particularly creamy. Beat 'em! Scream! Looks pretty fluffy today. How could that not be good? Clean these off. Whip some cream. Peaks. Now, in a normal peanut butter pie, you'd put vanilla in the whipped cream or the peanut butter and then you mix them together. But this isn't a normal peanut butter pie, this is a peanut butter pickle pie. So instead of vanilla, we're gonna use pickle juice. Now I know what you're thinking. This is gonna be gross. Have you ever tried putting peanut butter on a pickle? Don't knock it till you try it. We're just gonna start with like half a teaspoon here. And put that in. And then we'll taste and test. We need more. Let's get the tablespoon out. This kitchen's gonna reek of pickles. My clothes are going to reek of pickles. That's interesting. I have to get all this in here, fold it together. So now we have a luxuriously homogenized paste. Peanut butter pickle pie. There's not enough pickle yet. So, you ever done this before? Now I suppose you could just use relish, but we want the real essence of the dill pickle. It's like zesting a lemon, but we're grating a pickle. Ow! This is so ridiculous. Why not? You can't have too much pickle. It's like garlic. It smells like a bag of dill pickle chips. So we're going to take our desiccated pickle and add it to our pie filling. And then just continue to fold. Be gentle with our pickled pie. Pickled pie? Could you put pie in a jar? It's just as ugly as I thought it would be. It needs more pickle. My expert opinion, we need 2 more pickle. Oh. It's amazing what kind of inspiration can come out of a grade 9 French textbook. I like this. So get your chilled crust out of the fridge. Dump our lovely PPP in there. We must exercise our ability not to judge based on appearance. I can't believe I did this. Oh goodness, okay, this is the thing. Put it in the fridge for 6 hours, or into the freezer for 3 hours. Because this is one of them newfangled no-bake recipes, but it has to set. So we'll see you later. Love pickles. Quite the mess. And we're back, and this is cold. So now we're gonna put just a little bit of topping on top to make it less that. So I warmed some more peanut butter to go on the peanut butter pickle pie. Do one of these. Well, that's pretty. It's very soft. Please come out of the plate. Okay, we lost a whole bunch of crust. Just kind of put it on the plate like that. And now we dig into the PPP. This is so stupid. But it's really good. I'm smart. Thanks for dealing with my ridiculous yeah. Please come back next week where we're gonna do some more silly things. Oh, it's really warm in this sweater. Follow me on Instagram @Aaron's Bakery, and I'll see you next week.